Welcome back to Learn by Rahul, and today we are going to discuss about a very most important topic, test cases and test scenario. And it is the one of the most famous interview questions. My dear students, please watch my video up to end and you will get a clear understanding what is exactly the test cases and the test scenario with practical life example. We are going to discuss about today what is test cases and test scenario, practical real-time example, advantages and disadvantages of test case and test scenario, and difference between test cases and test scenario. So let's first understand what is test cases. The test case is simple how to test. Test case is a set of actions executed to verify a practical features or functionality of your software applications. It's help you to validate expectations and customer requirement, and it is a detailed descriptions of our applications or software. Now we talk about the test scenario. Test scenario is what to test. Test scenario is defined as any functionality that can be tested. And the third, creating test scenarios ensure complete test coverage. Not understand the exactly mean of test cases and test scenarios, so don't worry, my dear friends. And I will take a very live example, real time example, what is exactly the test cases in the test scenario. Suppose I want to test the login features of Facebook. So to test the login features by enter correct username and password and login. Okay. So this is what test cases. Okay. If we talk about the test scenario, the only thing is that to take the login features of Facebook. So this is called what test scenario. Now we talk about the more test cases to log in with correct email ID and password, then login. This is the one test case. To log in with invalid email ID or phone number and then login. So this is the another test cases. Okay. So you will understand the exactly the test scenario. It is the only the one to check or verify the login features. And if we talk about the test scenario, we enter the correct username password then login, then incorrect username and password then login, and enter like the white spaces and incorrect password then login by enter white spaces and white spaces and the password then again login. So this is the another test cases, right? So I think you will know exactly what is test cases and the test scenario. For the better understanding, I explained left hand side the test cases and the right hand side the test scenario. So here we can see like the requirement test scenario first, the test description like check the login functionality, and the next left hand side you can see like the test case id created by the test case descriptions test the login functionality. Okay, the QA tester log, tester name, date, test data, prescriptions. The test scenario, here we you can see like the test scenario verify entering valid username and password. The customer can log in, and here we can see like step details, expected result, actual result. So this is what the test cases, and it is a detailed descriptions of our applications of any requirement. Okay, and the test scenario, it is a simple, only the one is step the like check the login functionality. That's now we talk about the benefit of writing test cases. Okay, so the test case ensure good test coverage, help improve the quality of software, decrease the maintenance and software support cost, help verify that the software meets the end user requirement, allow the tester to think thoroughly and approach the test from a many angles as possible. Now we talk about the disadvantages of test cases of test scenario. If we do not write test cases and test scenarios, some functionality you can miss. Why? Because as a tester, you will test the application by own understanding. So maybe you can forget some functionality. Suppose you are testing the login feature. So by the own understanding you forget sometimes the like the white space, enter the white space and password and then login. So it may be the possibility if you do not have any the right documentation, so maybe these functionality you can miss. So this is the all about the test cases and test scenario. Now we talk about the major difference between the test cases and the test scenario. So the test cases are low level actions and the test scenario are high level actions. The test cases require more resources and time for test execution, while test scenario require fewer resources and time for test execution. And the exactly the mean of the test cases we know very well that it is how to test, and the test scenario what to test. And the test cases, into the test cases you can test easily any application no matter you have good product knowledge or application knowledge. In the test scenario it will be hard to test the application until and unless you have good project knowledge. The test cases are derived for test scenario, and the test scenario derived from the requirement. And the last one is the like test cases need more time to write test cases, and the test scenario need less time to prepare. In the next upcoming video we will learn the exactly how we write the test cases in the test scenarios. So for the more understanding and clarity, please watch my the next video how to write the test cases and test scenario. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and comment below for more videos and update. Thank you.